Hi everyone, this is Matthew Ma from Aleddra LED Lighting. Happy New Year to everyone. I'm very excited today to share with you our new emergency pack for UFO high bay. There are a number of emergency options available on the market for the UFO high bay, but none of them are ideal. In the sense, they all run into the same problem. That is, with a UFO high bay that is compact like this, there's really no room for you to put the emergency pack right next to it. You may have to use a mounting bracket, but that's cumbersome and labor intensive to put it up. Even you are able to put it up, the weight of the emergency pack will push the UFO high bay sideways, therefore mess up your lighting distribution. So no available, no ideal solution out on the market until today. This one are what I call inline style UFO emergency pack. It comes with the battery pack, 2 eye screw, a safety hook, and also the flex cable. It also has a safety cable and also a remote control for you to do the remote testing. I'll share with you in a second how to do it by pairing the control to the unit. So how does this work? After you put up the eye screw and then the safety cable, you now safety hook over the fixtures, and now you have it. It's inline. All you need to do is shorten the mounting chain, the hanging chain of the UFO high bay by a foot, and then you have it. So it doesn't take up any extra space, nor put up any weight to the UFO fixtures. Very flexible in terms of wiring. You can wire it with a dimmer, 0 to 10 volt dimmer, or just with the wall switch without any dimmer, or with the motion sensor. So very flexible in terms of wiring. So for this demonstration, I didn't turn the power on because it would be too bright with this 200 watt unit. Let me cover it. With this 40 watt battery pack, it's still very bright when the battery kicks in. So I'm going to turn off the power, simulating the situation where the power goes out. After 2 seconds, detects there's no power, the battery kick in. It's very bright. Should the power come back up, now we go into the backup mode, not the backup mode, the normal operation, because there's no power, so just leave it off. If I will put the power on, it will come full bright, 200 watt. And then how you would test it. For this unit, there's a manual test button on the unit right here. So a little button right here with a little red LED underneath. It shows you the battery is being charged right now. If I push it manually, and then it kick into the manual test mode. You can see the battery just kick in. So, and the LED light will have a slow flashing mode, 1 second at a time, telling you the battery pack is now in the self-testing mode for 30 seconds. Per code, every month you have to test it for this 30 seconds, make sure the battery still works. And every year you have to do a 90 minutes full discharge test. This unit, after you push this, the manual test button, it will do the 30-second test for you. And if you like the manual test to verify it, but this is not something you want to do after the unit is installed 30 feet in, above ground. To save you climbing up and down the ladder or turn off the circuit breaker for testing the unit, it comes with a remote control for the remote testing. To use the remote test control with the unit, first you want to get the antenna, this little antenna, out of the wire nut back here and put it on. And before you do anything, you want to unpair any previous pairing, if any. So what you do is raise the antenna on the remote control, press the B button for a second, and then press BAB to deactivate any previous setting. B, A, B, and then wait for 3 seconds. if there's any setting, you press A for testing, it won't react to you. I just pressed the A button, nothing happened, so meaning I have successfully unpaired the remote control with the unit. Now, in order to pair it, press the B button to enter into the pairing mode, pairing process, and then set AB, ABA. Okay, press B for a second, and then press AB, ABA. A, B, A, B, A. Wait for 3 seconds. 2, 3. And now you press the test button, it should work. There you go. Voila. So it saves you the trouble for getting up and down a ladder for testing the unit for 30 seconds. If you like the remote control testing, you will like the next feature even better. That is, this unit actually comes with a self-testing, self-diagnostic function. That is, after you activate this unit for 2 days, you enter into a cycle. Every 30 days from that point onward, it will do the 30-second automatic testing, 30-second monthly, and then every year, every 365 days, it will do a 90-minute full discharge testing on the battery. Save the trouble of getting out and down the ladder or even press this manually. It would do that automatic for you. A lot of time saving. But if you're not sure what it actually tested, you can always press your remote control. If you like it and you have fun with it, go for it. This particular unit will have two configurations. The 25 watt is rated to work with 100 watt and 150 watt UFO high bay. The larger pack, this one, 40 watt, is rated for 200 watt and 240 watt UFO high bay. But please know that it doesn't work with all the drivers in the UFO fixtures. The driver has to be dimmable driver, and also a limited number of the driver we tested to be compatible. We do publish the compatible driver list on our website. So before you purchase any of our emergency pack, check out the compatible driver list for UFO before your purchase. And also, in case you're not sure, want to get a compatible UFO high bay to go with your emergency pack, we do offer a discount, a severe discount, so that you can have both units, make sure that it's compatible for your emergency lighting need. Later this year, we'll introduce more emergency lighting product to your needs. So feel free to check back with us on our website, or contact your local Aleddra dealers and agents. Till next time, bye.